If you don't want to lose opportunities to appear in Google's top results, you should set clear alternative text related to your posts. However, if you have not set the alternative text of your images, you'll have some tedious hours trying to edit all your images individually. The great news is that we can show you how to set the post title and categories as image alt text, and the best part is that you will be able to do it in just a few minutes using the Media Library Spreadsheet plugin. With this plugin, you will be able to edit thousands of media files in minutes. It will show you all your files in a spreadsheet, where you can make advanced searches in just a few seconds and apply massive changes. Also, you can export all your media files for editing with Excel or Google Sheets. You'll find a link to download this plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to consult our written guide. Once we have installed and opened our plugin, we'll look for all the images to update. We will do this since the spreadsheet will show all types of files, such as videos, images, zip, audios, etc. It is necessary to search only for the images, since they will be what we will edit. To do this, we'll open the search tool. Now select Posts, to find only the images associated to posts. Now enable the advanced filters. Then select Format. The operator will be Contains. And enter image as the value. Finally, let's run the search so that all the images that we have in our site appear. After all the images were filtered, we'll set the post title and categories as alt text. For this, open the bulk editing tool. Once the tool is open, select this option to edit the result from our search. Then, look for the field alt text, which is the field we want to edit. Select the set value option here. And enter these placeholders separated by a hyphen. You can find these placeholders in our written guide to simply copy and paste. Finally, execute. Now all the alternative texts of your images will be related to the title and categories of the posts they are associated with. As you can see, what could take you hours, will take you just a few minutes, thanks to the Media Library Spreadsheet plugin. Remember that you will find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.